guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I feel like I should be doing a Monsieur Banana Eats kind of series because I feel like my last few vlogs has been really food related. So I'm gonna have malatang today. I don't know if you saw the clip before. We took a lot of food. Pretty sure we can finish it. I'm very excited. I'm so hungry. But while we wait for our food, I want to try this. I think the actual drink is called Ping Fen. I don't know how to describe it, but I really like the texture because it's sort of like a jelly kind of, and I'm just reading the menu right now, and it says this traditional Chengdu drink made with transparent jelly, dried fruits, and tasty flowers. It's like super refreshing and it's not overly sweet as well. I actually really like it. My food is here. I don't know if you can see how big this bowl is. They do different levels of spiciness and I got this in medium. I wanted to try this green bamboo thing. I really like these tiny little veggies. They're called gong cai and I have no idea what this is in English, but this is really good. You guys, this is one of my favorite dishes. So whenever I go to a restaurant that has this, I have to order it. And the Chinese name is called Hong Tang Ciba. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's pretty much like this fried glutinous rice thing and it has brown sugar. It is so good. We also got this fried pork appetizer entree thing. I'm so excited right now. Look at this. I showed you guys how big the bowl is. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's very big and there's a lot of food. I really want to eat this, but I feel like it's probably going to be too hot to have right now. But you guys just need to order this. If you come here, you need this. I'm not playing no games, you just have to order this. I'm going to try this green bamboo shoot thing. They have different soup bases here, so I chose the signature malatang, but you can also do like a stir-fry version, and that's really yummy as well. But I was just feeling a bit of a soupy situation today. So yeah, this is what I got. Anyway guys, I'm gonna keep eating this. As usual, I'll list and link everywhere that I eat, everything that I mention in the description bar below. So today, I'm going to the Louis Vuitton store. It's so sunny. I'm going to the Louis Vuitton store on Collins Street because one of my friends told me to go there to put my name down for the Louis Vuitton Nike collab. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over Instagram and online, and I'm very hyped and I feel like they're going to be impossible to get. So I don't know whether leaving my name down would do anything, but I thought I'll just try. Louis Vuitton is just over there, so we will see. So I put my name down for a few colorways for the sneakers. I don't really know which one I want because I want all of them, but I'm not getting my hopes up at all. It's just, you know, I thought I'd just try because you guys know how I felt about the Air Geos when I didn't get them, but I also feel like I didn't try hard enough. So yeah, this time around, you know, I think it can't hurt to leave my name down for now. And we'll see because we don't even know what the retail price is and we don't even know when the release date is. So yeah, I'm very excited for them anyway. But right now, I don't even know where I'm going. I guess I'm just gonna walk around in the city. I can't believe how fast the shipping is for these. So they released this on the Up There website at 12 a.m. on Friday, and then it got delivered on Saturday. So that is super quick. I'm so happy. If you guys watched my last vlog, then you know that I really wanted these Concepts Asics sneakers. So you guys can see, this is what it looks like. I actually haven't seen a pair in person. And hold on, let me get the other side out to show you guys. And well, I'm just trying to see if there's anything else in the box. No. I got this in a men's US 7 because that is the smallest that they had it in. And first impression wise, this is such a beautiful pair of sneakers. Look at this. So you guys know that this is called the Otoro, which is inspired by that very expensive cut of the tuna. If you guys have had Otoro before, you guys know that it's super fatty and buttery. It's just super, super yummy. I feel like at some stage I need to have Otoro on my channel just to match with my sneakers, and that's what the insole looks like on that side. The suede on this is just so buttery and beautiful, and I just love the mix of colors. There are some 3M details over here, and that is meant to reference the knives that the sushi chefs use to cut the tuna. They also give you a set of green laces, and that is meant to be the wasabi component because that is what you have with tuna or sushi, sashimi. One of the reasons why I really wanted this pair was when I was listening to the Complex podcast. I think Matt Welty probably had an early pair, and when they mentioned Otoro, I love sashimi, I love Japanese food in general. So first of all, the name got to me, and then second of all, when I saw the colorway, I just feel like it is such a nice colorway. You guys know that I love my pink sneakers. So yeah, I don't usually get Asics sneakers, but I think this is such a well done collaboration, and you can also see the insole on the other side here. There is a fish, and that should be a tuna. And yeah, just really, really cool details on this particular release. So that is the Concepts and Asics co-branding over here. I have not tried them on feet, but I feel like they'll be really, really comfy. And with the Gel Lyte 3s, they have this really cool like split tongue detail over here. There is the Concepts branding on the heel of the sneaker. And yeah, I am very, very happy right now. So I guess I'm going to wear this today. So a quick little outfit of the day. I hope you guys can't hear my dishwasher at the back, but I'm about to head out and I am wearing my new Concepts Asics sneakers. I think they're so cute. And then with my socks, I am wearing these Apothecary Socks. So that is Seth Fowler's brand. I'll make sure to link that down below as well. They're super comfy and I love this color. And with my pants, they are the Rains pants that I've shown so many times. This hoodie is from Nike. I don't usually mix like sportswear brands together, but I really wanted to wear something pink on top and I don't have anything else that's pink, so yeah, I'm gonna wear this hoodie. And then I can't decide if I want to wear the bucket hat or not. This is my Jacquemus Bucket Hat that I wear all the time. I think the little bow detail on the back is super, super cute. So this is without the bucket hat. I don't know what this hair is doing. It's just sticking out, but I can't decide if I want to wear the bucket hat or not. But I'm gonna head out soon because I have some errands to run, and then later today I'm meeting Beatrice for dinner and we're gonna have Korean fried chicken. I'm super, super excited. So what time is it? It's 2 o'clock right now. I have some time. One more thing I want to point out is that I used to always spray my sneakers with like protective spray before I wear them. And I haven't been doing it, and I feel like I should because look at this suede. But I've also run out of like sneaker protectors, so I should probably go and buy some today so that I can spray these sneakers. But I'm so, so happy with these. Probably the most unprofessional, unclear on feet that you guys will see. But yeah, I love them. But okay, anyway, let's go. So I did a quick outfit change. I don't know if this is better. So I am wearing this like subtype sweatshirt, and I don't know, do we feel like the color matches a little bit better? I'm usually not that indecisive, guys, but I wasn't very sure about my Nike hoodie that I was wearing with these sneakers. But I almost feel like this color doesn't really match the sneakers that well. It's a bit more of like a mauvey, dusty kind of pink, whereas like the sneakers are a little bit more vibrant. What am I doing? The next time you see me, I may or may not be wearing this sweatshirt. So we made it to Busa. I was trying to take some outfit photos today, and as you guys can see, I ended up changing back to this Nike hoodie. And also, I forgot to mention that this morning I woke up and so many of you guys tagged me in this photo because I was on the Adidas Confirmed app, and we don't even have that Confirmed app here in Australia, but thank you guys so much for tagging me in your photos. I'm very happy that I made it to the page on the app. But anyway guys, we are at Busa. I think I showed you guys this place a while ago, but I love their fried chicken here. So we're gonna have some fried chicken. There's also fries. I don't know what else there is. There's gonna be a bunch of food. I'm very, very excited. So yeah, I will show you when my food arrives. got the beef loaded fries that you guys saw earlier, and then there's also the snow cheese cauliflower. I love their snow cheese fried chicken here. And this is a cauliflower version. I obviously got fried chicken as well. It's not here just yet, but I'm gonna taste this. Hopefully it's not too hot. Oh, it's very hot. The snow cheese powder on this is so good. I've had the fried chicken version before, but the cauliflower is really nice as well. And then also I got some of the beef loaded fries. It's like lots of cheese and sauce and beef obviously. Approved by Beatrice. She just said the fries are really good. They're so good. I'm so hungry. I didn't really eat today. I had like oats this morning, and then I've just been a little bit busy running errands and stuff, so I'm so happy to be eating right now. So our fried chicken is here, and this is the original fried chicken, and then this one here is the smoked soy. This is super yummy as well. And yeah, I cannot wait to eat all of this food. Let's try this fried chicken. Tender, juicy, and the outside as well is really crispy. And I love the smoked soy sauce. Wait, smoked soy sauce? The smoked soy flavor that's on the chicken. Sorry. Smoked soy fillets. But anyway, it's the smoked soy flavor that you guys need to try up in here. Did I strip? No, we're fine. Guys, the hoodie is fine. Yeah, I need to stop moving the chicken around, but just trust me, it's really good. I don't think I mentioned this is the boozer in Melbourne Central that I'm at the moment. They do have one on A Beckett Street that I'm pretty sure I vlogged as well a while ago. But yeah guys, anyway, I'm gonna keep eating my food. So I was editing this vlog and I realized I never ended the vlog, so I'm here to tell you guys thank you so much for watching this video. I was actually hoping to unbox some things in this vlog, but it hasn't arrived, so I managed to pick up the Sakai blazers in the green colorway. They had a restock on the supply side, and my friend messaged me and I panic bought them because they for some reason restocked a size 6, so maybe they just had some more size 6, and so I bought them for retail. I'm super happy, so that is on its way. I think I just checked the tracking and it's arriving tomorrow. And then I also bought the Stussy CPFM sweatshirt from that collab. There were a few other things that I wanted, but I was like trying to control myself to not panic buy and hoard things, so I only bought one thing from that collection. So I will do a unboxing of all those items in one video and just make it like one big unboxing video, so you guys can stay tuned for that. I have not forgotten about the Yeezy 350 V2 monoclave video. I will include that review in that big unboxing video. Well, I don't know what else I will be unboxing. I don't have that many pairs of sneakers, but I will put them all together in one. That is pretty much it for this vlog. I was planning on going to IKEA today because I went there yesterday and I bought this thing where you hang it behind the door so you can hang your stuff on there. And for some reason, I thought all doors would be a standard size, so I didn't even bother looking at the measurements, and I got home and it's too big for my door. But I also checked the receipt, and apparently you have 365 days to return something to IKEA, which is amazing. So yeah, I guess there's no rush there. I just don't feel like going today. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying my more casual lifestyle food vlog. I know some of you guys have mentioned that you enjoy seeing all the food, so I'm very happy. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also very random, I've been watching a lot of Swoozy videos. I stopped watching his videos for a while, but recently I've been really into it, and he likes telling
like random dating stories, and I'm kind of inspired. And yeah, would you guys be interested in hearing my random dating stories? They're pretty interesting. They're mostly not great, but I thought it'd be interesting to share that with you guys if you guys want a bit of a, you know, more personal relation. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.